Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is anything LLM, the docs, where's my data located? This really bugged me when I went to the documents that I have already uploaded. Let's take a look. See, all this is a mess. I have no idea. This is LLM's how-to. Okay, that's all well and good, but when I look on these, I can't open them. So while I know how to do it now because I've read the website that includes the instructions, where's my data located. Thank you, developers, for providing that. And I don't know if it just did what I wanted it to do. And I can't see, there's no sorting here, which really is a nuisance. And let's see, how do I scroll here? Okay, so that's how I scroll. Maybe that's it? I don't know. See, this is the big problem. I don't know what file name. I don't know what file name it is because they're all more or less jumbled without meaning and no date. Very annoying. So we'll fetch it again. Hey, why not? It's let's see what happens. And still, it's impossible to tell which one it is, right? Unless it's this one here. What does that say? Agent custom handler, no. No. Desktop general. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know because there's no sort and I don't know which file was just recently updated. And if I have multiple users, I would need to know who uploaded what. Very frustrating. I click on that, move to workspace. No, I don't want that. What happened? Say I need to select all in that. No, I don't want this. Move that. No, I cancel. How do I cancel? Cancel. Yuck. All right, let's try again. None of these things are selected. And let's see if I can scroll through. It doesn't tell me which file I'm using. Because it's got this hashtag and it's cutting off the hashtag. Okay, so I'm not going to select, I'm going to select this one and move to workplace. And I don't know what it is. So that's fun. Now, I'm going to use the Allm how-tos and I'm going to use this very same question. Where is my data located? And let's fire up our CPU watch. CPUs are starting to spike. RAM is starting to spike. My strong suggestion for the developers at anytingllm is that this workspace is default. Everything that you guys know about how to program Allm and how to use it should be included in the installation. My humble opinion. Let's see if this is going to do anything. Yeah, CPU is spiking, RAM is spiking. 1823, I'm going to pause. Oh, there it is. is stored in the following locations depending on your operating system. Okay, so let's just go ahead and ask, where is my data stored on Ubuntu, on Linux? We'll go with more generic Linux. Question mark. And I could obviously just go straight to this and have it checked, but this is the issue. This is not correct. It's not users. It's just user. And I'll show you what I mean, because here it is, and the correct command is user dgd and then storage. And when I did that, I using ZSH, which is an awesome terminal tool, it gave me the storage right here, and then the documents, which is what I wanted. And here are the documents. It doesn't include, or this instance, or it's not actually showing, or maybe it's in custom documents. Maybe it's in custom documents. So let's take a look. I used JQ to make the JSON a little prettier. And let's go ahead and take a look. CD dot dot and then ls clear. Let's clear this. ls and let's go custom documents. So cd custom ls. Here are the HTML pages that I pulled. And developer general. Okay, I don't know what that is. So let's go ahead and cat. Let's go ahead and cat URL docs installation e, and then we'll pass it to JQ for a pretty print. Okay, so this is about the okay, this is custom agent skills, not what I wanted. And I wonder what would happen if I rename, actually, I know what would happen. This UUID would get broken and the database would die. So I figured that one out. Okay. All right, so it reproduced the same message, which on my machine, if I try user, that's not going to work. The correct command, at least on my Ubuntu machine, clear history is right here. Copy that. That's the correct command to get where I want to go, and I'll show it to you in a new terminal. Because I'm in custom documents, right? I need to go home, ls cd dgd, and now let's see if that works. Yeah, okay. Stumbling along, but I did get it to work. All right, and ls to see everything in there, cd documents, ls. All right, thanks for watching, and that's been a quick demonstration of how to pull documents into the anything LLM and then how to view the location of where the documents are stored. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.